Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against a kick. So watch this clip from the series Thundercats. Ho! This is Panthro versus Lion-O in the test of strength. So after you watch this clip, I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
If it means fighting a friend, I don't have what it takes.
That is what we're here to find out. Fight!
It's no use, Panthro.
Welcome back. So you'll see from this one, I'm going to use this noodle here as a leg so you can kind of see an example. So Bob here comes and throws a kick. From here, I'm going to step in. At the same time, I'm going to block down. This should be preferably if the knee was here, get right behind the knee and right in front. And you're going to try to strike behind the knee first to try to help hyperextend that leg. Step, block, back elbow to the face, step, inner kick to the thigh. From here, you can finish however you want. Uppercut the face, punch, whatever you feel is most natural. Again, step and block, backhand, step, kick the inner thigh. For technique number 2, if you already hit, you weren't able to block. You can't come all the way back across and then strike. You're telegraphing everything you're doing. So from here, we're just going to have to reverse directions. So from here, step in, backhand, kick the inner thigh. One more time. Got kicked. Step in, backhand, kick the inner thigh. Technique number 3, we're going to be the aggressor. We're standing here, opponent's in front of us, hands are comfortable. Now, if you're standing here, if you want to hit with your left, have your left hand over. If you're going to hit with your right, have your right hand over. For this one, we're going to start with our left. Strike. Just strike out. From here, kick the inner thigh, finish however you want. For technique number 1 on the bag, we see the kick coming, step in and block, back elbow, step, kick the inner thigh. Technique number 2 on the bag, we got kicked. From here, step in, back elbow, kick. For this last technique, we're the aggressor. Right hand over left, strike, kick. Go try it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.
What's that?